Hey everybody, welcome back to All Electric Adventures. Just got a quick one today showing off our new window tint. So I'm on my way to the shop right now. And I'll pick up the car later today with window tint. So we're gonna go, I mean today's not the best day to demonstrate, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna go 70 on the front, double layer ceramic for the heat protection. I'm not sure on the back and the front windows yet. I'm thinking like 20 in the back, 35 in the front. I'm not too sure. We'll see. I'll see what they think and look at some examples and whatnot when we get there. But I don't want it too dark in the front, and I want it dark enough in the back for the baby. So, you know, that's what it looks like. Seeing out the windows and all our trips. The front, I'm not expecting to be able to see anything, which is exactly what I want. I don't want to see it necessarily, I just wanted to help reduce the glare and help with the heat rejection. So, all right, I'm on my way to the shop and I will show off what it looks like when it's done. All right, just a quick reminder what it looks like from the outside. Factory tint. It's kind of a gray, rainy day, but you know. All right, see you at the end. All right, so do one quick last look and just talk to the guys. We're gonna go 35 on the front, 70 on the windshield. They said these are usually already read around 20, so I'm just gonna lay 35 over top of it, so it'll darken it very slightly, but really just for the IR protection and the UV protection is a big thing I'm looking for. And then I didn't realize they're doing the back windshield too. Which will actually be great for the dogs. So this is already dark, so they're just going to lay something to balance it out. Remember that. So I didn't realize that, so we have got stickers here. Yeah, I didn't realize that. I cleaned off the rest of the car, except for, I don't know if they're doing these C-pillar windows either. Should I ask? Or D-pillar. Is D-pillar or C-pillar window? Whatever it is. Because we've got our car wash tag. So, yeah. One last look. We'll see what she looks like when we're done. All right, well, it didn't take too long. It's a few hours later. Car's looking nice. So, they washed it too, which is helpful. But yeah, that tint's not, it's good. I like it in the front. It's a little bit of privacy. In the back, that's good. I mean, yeah, you can't, definitely much more privacy for Coraline. And in the back, windshield, I can't tell if it's much darker, but that'll be great for the dogs. And then got the front glass, which really you can maybe barely tell. So this is the shop, Chicago Auto Pros. They have two locations. This one's Lombard, Illinois. Yeah, really professional, really good guys. You know, wasn't cheap, but you want it done right. So this is double layer XPel ceramic tint. Let's check it out on the inside. I did mention do not roll the windows down. You know what, I should have turned the air on for myself. I didn't do that. Let's get some air going. Okay. I said some little bubbling and stuff is normal for the first 2 weeks, but then otherwise it's a lifetime warranty. If anything ever happens, any bubbles, rippling, lines, whatever, they will rip it off and replace it. No cost. So that's pretty sweet. They did put stickers down here, which is good because I'm gonna have to remind myself, don't roll the windows down. See on the back, I mean, the sun is actually out a little bit now. Well, kind of. And it feels nice. I mean, I like the front. It's subtle, so I did 35 in the front. It's not too dark. I like it. And the windshield, I mean, you can't even tell. I almost rolled the window down right there just to compare. So if you look, I mean, there you can kind of see. Actually, so yeah, you can. That actually gives a really good view right there of the difference of open air and the 70%. And then that's the 35%. And I did 35% on top of the back. Oh, they did do the triangle parts, sweet, the D-pillar, whatever. I did do 35% on that, and that was on top of what was already there, so it didn't add too much more, but it did add. And here's my Delta Sonic sticker. I gotta put that back on. So maybe I'll run in and ask him real quick if that's safe to put back on or if I should wait. So yeah, it looks great. We'll give some updates down the line, and when I finally eventually film our, this one's gonna be 25,000 mile review, I'll probably talk about it again. So just a quick one today. Wanted to update everybody getting the windows tinted, and it does look sweet. So we'll give one final look from outside, and I'm actually gonna go ask him a question real quick. Turn the climate on so it stays cool in here. Yeah, so much brighter out here. So yeah, one final look. And those look pretty nice. All right, that'll do it. Beep beep, have a good time.